Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll get to know how we can create an FTP account in GoogieHost. Let's get started. Go to the GoogieHost login page, enter your registered email and password and click Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the client area. In the dashboard, locate and click on FTP accounts. You will see a default FTP account already listed. Do not change anything in the default account. Leave it as it is. Click on Create Account. Enter the username, usually related to your domain. Enter a strong password and save it somewhere safe so you don't forget it. Once the username and password are set, click Create. Your new FTP account will be successfully created and ready to use. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible.